Hi, this is a suturing kit for medical students. It has got a suture pad along with all the suturing instruments and these sutures of different types. So we show you here in this. See, it has got different cuts of different width, different depth, different length. You can do practice of different types of sutures. I'll show you the strength of the material. So I have taken this stitch. You can see the strength of the material. And stretching it, it's not tearing off. It's really good quality material. So you can practice different suturing techniques in this.